friends, hope you are doing well and welcome back to the new video of the trigonometry chapter. In this video, I will show you how to calculate the trigonometric ratios. In the previous videos, I have told you about the basics of trigonometry, but now in this video, I am going to start the new topic about trigonometric ratios. So let's start. So basically up to class 10 level there is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree which are being calculated and whose angles are being known to us. So we will not memorize the values of certain degrees, and we will just try we should try to remember it by some simple tricks and methods. So before going to the values of trigonometric ratios, I will show you how you could find the values by using some simple tricks. So let's start. At first, the values of sine can be calculated by memorizing just a basic thing. Imagine numbers from 0 to 4 and write it down over here, such as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now divide the numbers by 4. 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. Now give a root on all the numbers. Now the answer of this, by calculating the answers, we can get the values of sine 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. So we know 0 by 4 is 0. So we will write sine 0 is nothing but 0. Sine 30, we know that root over 1 by 4 means half. Root 1 is 1 and root over 4 is 2. So we can write half. So sine 45 is 2 by 4 gets cancelled by 1 by 2. So it becomes 1 by root 2. Sine 60 similarly becomes root 3 by 2. And sine 90 becomes 1. So we have got the values of sine. Sine 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now to get the value of cos, we have to reverse the sequence of sine we will reverse the sequence of sine such as that sine 90 will come at cos 0 plus and so on. So sine 90 here is 1, so here cos 0 is 1. So here sine 60 is root 3 by 2, here cos 30 will be root 3 by 2. Sine 45 sine 45 remains same as it is in the center. Here sine 30 is half, here cos 60 will be half, and here sine 0 is 0 and here cos 90 will be 0. So for the cos it maintains a reverse sequence of sine. Now let us find the value of tan. We know in the previous videos I have told that tan is nothing but sine by cos. Here we have got the values of sine and cos. So we can find out the value of tan by simply dividing it by sine by cos. Here the value of sine is 0 and here the value of tan is 1. The value of cos is 1. So tan equals to sine by cos, that is 0 by 1 is nothing but 0. Tan 30 is sine by cos, it becomes 1 by root 3. Similarly, tan 45 becomes 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 becomes 1. Tan 60 becomes root 3. If you divide it by sine by cos, it becomes root 3 by 2 divided by half. 2 gets cancelled, so root 3 here it comes. And tan 90 value is undefined. Since 1 by 0 we know it's undefined. now comes the now we will find out the value of cosec. We know that the reciprocal of cosec is sine. So cosec is nothing but 1 by sine. Now here sine is 0. So 1 by sine means 1 by 0. It will reciprocal the value of sine and we will get the value of cosec. Since we know cosec equals to 1 by sine, so if we put the value of sine over here and here, we will get the value of cosec. So cosec 0 is nothing but 1 by 0, that is undefined. 30 degree, cosec 30 is sine 30 is half, so reciprocal of half is 2. Similarly, cosec 45 is root 2. The reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Similarly, cosec 60 is 2 by root 3, since the reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. And sine 90 is 1, so cosec 90 is also 1. And the reciprocal of 1 is 1. So now comes sec. Similarly, sec is nothing but 1 by cos. Sec is nothing but 1 by cos. So so cos 0 is 1. So the value of sec is also 1, since the reciprocal of 1 is 1. Cos 30 is nothing but 2 by root 3. Cos 45 value is 1 by root 2, so the value of sec becomes root 2. Cos 60 is half, so the value of sec becomes 2. And the value of cos here is 0, so 1 by 0 we all know it's undefined. So here it is. And now come to the cot. We also know that tan is nothing but 1 by cot. So here tan is 0, so 1 by 0 we all know undefined. And here 1 by root 3, tan 30 value is 1 by root 3, so cot 30 becomes the reciprocal of it, so it is root 3. Tan 45 is 1, so the value is also here 1. Tan 60 is root 3, so the value of cot 60 is 1 by root 3. And tan 90 is undefined, and undefined 1 by undefined is something is 0. So we got the values of all the trigonometric ratios which are being there in the syllabus of class 10. So in the next video we will discussing some problems related to it. So hope you guys like it. And one thing which is important, don't memorize the tables, because if you memorize it, it will be difficult to recall it in the exam. You can just memorize it by a simple trick that I have shown, that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4 and give the root and the value of sine, then you can automatically find the values of all the numbers if you know the value of sine, all the degrees. So today up to this, and in the next video I will show you some problems related to it, and hope you guys like it. And if you guys like it, please subscribe the channel, and if you have any problems you can write it in the comment section. We will try to solve it out. Thank you.